Welcome to the world where elegance meets engineering. Today, we unveil the magnificent Bentley Continental GT. From design to performance, this grand tour redefines what it means to drive in luxury. The front view boasts a wide, muscular stance, perfectly balanced with refined elegance and strength. The iconic chrome matrix grille sits like a crown, commanding attention with its proud posture. Sculpted lines flow from the hood, giving the car an athletic yet polished appearance. Chrome accents around the lower fascia add a glint of sophistication to the bold presence. This isn't just a luxury car, it's a statement made in steel and grace. The headlights on the Continental GT aren't just lighting tools, they're jewelry for the road. Crafted with crystal-cut precision, each LED matrix light has a dazzling inner design inspired by fine-cut glassware. When illuminated, they radiate a glow that blends power with opulence, casting an unmistakable signature. The intelligent lighting adapts to road conditions, ensuring maximum visibility with zero glare. Bentley's design team has turned functionality into artwork, using light as a medium. It's a simple gaze that transforms the entire car's personality. Open the doors and the Continental GT welcomes you with pure British craftsmanship. Each door feels weighty yet fluid, thanks to seamless electronic opening and soft-close technology. On the inside, it's leather, chrome, and hand-polished wood in perfect harmony. The doors feature stitched hide sourced from the finest tanneries in Europe, complemented by ambient lighting that reacts to your presence. Every inch speaks of attention to detail, from the contrast piping to the knurled handles. It's not just about opening a door, it's an entrance into elegance. Under the hood lies a 6.0-liter W12 engine that's nothing short of a beast in a tuxedo. This powerhouse delivers an astonishing 626 horsepower and 664 lb-ft of torque, launching the GT from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds. Bentley has engineered this engine to provide effortless acceleration while maintaining a whisper-quiet ride. Twin turbochargers ensure power delivery is smooth yet relentless, ready to surge with the slightest press. It's not just performance, it's power delivered with poise. The engine bay itself is a sculpture of precision engineering. From the side, the Continental GT presents a fluid silhouette that looks like it was carved by the wind. The long hood flows into a gracefully sloped roofline, ending in a tight rear that screams coupe elegance. The character line that runs from front to rear is subtle but powerful, accentuating the car's sense of motion. Chrome trim outlines the windows and door sills, framing the curves like art in a gallery. Even at rest, the car looks ready to leap forward. This side profile speaks volumes about Bentley's balance between boldness and beauty. The wheels of the Continental GT are masterpieces in motion. These massive 22-inch forged alloys are available in multiple finishes, from gloss black to polished silver, each exuding pure class. The intricate spoke patterns reflect Bentley's attention to detail, designed not just for looks but also optimal performance. Behind them, large ventilated brakes with signature Bentley calipers ensure you stop as gracefully as you go. The ride comfort is supported by air suspension, meaning these wheels glide over roads like silk. It's rolling luxury at its finest. The rear view of the Continental GT is all about elegance with attitude. Sleek elliptical taillights mirror the design of the exhaust tips, giving symmetry to the back end. A subtle rear spoiler sits integrated into the trunk, deploying automatically for improved aerodynamics. The sloping rear window and chrome trim add a sporty yet regal feel. Dual oval exhaust hint at the performance beneath, while the Bentley badge is proudly centered like a royal seal. It's the perfect closing note to a visually stunning composition. Slide into the front seats and you're greeted with a cockpit that combines luxury and control. These 20-way adjustable seats are wrapped in diamond-quilted leather, offering massage, heating, cooling, and memory functions. The contrast stitching and piping add a refined touch, while the embroidered Bentley logo completes the look. Everything is driver-focused, yet indulgent for the passenger. With an optional neck warmer and adjustable bolsters, comfort is tailored like a bespoke suit. You don't just sit, you're cradled in craftsmanship. Though a grand tourer, the Continental GT doesn't forget the rear passengers. The back seats mirror the front in materials and design, with rich leather, fine wood veneers, and ambient lighting. While slightly more compact, they still offer supreme comfort for shorter trips. Integrated climate controls and center console options bring convenience to the rear cabin. The sloping roof doesn't compromise on style, and every inch is stitched, polished, or padded with luxury. Back here, passengers still feel like VIPs, because Bentley never does second class. The dashboard of the Bentley Continental GT is an experience unto itself, a seamless blend of analog charm and digital sophistication. It features a rotating display that flips between a touchscreen, triple analog dials, or clean veneer. Polished metals, piano black trim, and hand finish would grace the dash with warmth and prestige. The infotainment system offers crisp graphics, intuitive control, and top-tier audio courtesy of Nine. Every button has weight, every dial has resistance. Everything feels engineered with emotion. It's not just a dashboard. It's a control panel for the extraordinary. The Bentley Continental GT isn't just a car. It's a lifestyle crafted to perfection. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more luxury rides that redefine the road.